Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you all this new wig that I got from Unice. Of course, I'm just starting off with an unboxing of everything that comes with your unit. So this wig actually has little ear tabs that you can stick on instead of having to use glue or like a spray. So you do get additional of those, and then you get your standard, everything that you would get with your wig. But this is how the wig is here. Very nice, constructed very well. You have the elastic bands in the bag, and then you have the little clips around, and then those are the ear tabs. So very nice. I think this unit actually fit my head very well. I do have a low hairline as well as a larger head. So wigs typically fit very strange on me in general. But this one fit ear to ear. As you can see, the ear tags there, and the wig is kind of cut so that it's kind of easier for you to install. So just perfect. It's everything pre-bleached, plucked, and cut. So they're really coming out with a lot of wigs that are very, very beginner friendly and just easier all around for you to kind of just wear and go. So the clips before, of course, was the wig straight out of the packaging, and I did add makeup, and now I'm gonna put the wig on for real. So yeah, like I said, it fit really well. As you can see, like, the hair looks really, really good already without me doing anything. And I am going to try and use the ear tabs. And then I did add a little bit of glue as well, just to kind of help everything look as best as it can. So I did add glue, or my spray, to the middle portion, where there's not a tab. But you could add a tab there because you do get extra, but I just used glue. Now the actual wig, I love the texture and the color. Very fun and very nice. I don't think I got any shedding with the unit. Nope. So of course, when you first brush it out, you will get some, but it wasn't anything major or crazy, I swear. Some of these units, all you do is wet it and just rub your hand down it, and you'll get a whole bunch of hair off. But this one was not like that, thankfully, and it's very, very full, very full. So now that I finished putting the wig on, I'm gonna start kind of messing with the hair, seeing just what the curl pattern is really giving. So all I did was add water, and I did add mousse to it, and I added just some type of moisturizing product for curly hair. I can't remember which one it was that I used, but something for curly hair, nothing too serious. So in the hair, it was really the same texture as it is here, but it did kind of loosen up as well. I didn't want the curls to look too uniformed, so I was just brushing them out with my hands. But I did not shampoo this unit, so I'm not sure how the curls look after you shampoo it. But while I was doing my hair, the curls looked really, really good. Didn't have any issues even after I brushed it out. So all in all, I would say that this unit was very, very beginner friendly and very nice. There's no need to bleach your knots or anything like that. Like I said, it is everything, so very beginner friendly. I would recommend. Of course, I do have the links down below in the description box. If you guys are interested, check them out. And I always like Unice. I feel like they're one of the popular brands of wigs, and I've never had an issue with them, so definitely give them a try and let us know as well in the comments your thoughts on Unice for everyone else. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video if you like it, of course, and I cannot wait to see you in the next one.